In this example, I'm going to show you how to rename the worksheets. As of now, my worksheets are simply Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. There are two ways to change the name of the worksheets. The first way is just simply double-click on the name of the worksheet and just overtype it with whatever you want to name. Another way is after you select the worksheet name, you can right-click on it, click on Rename, then type it. I'm going to do the Sheet 3 the simplest way, which is double-click on it and overtype it. It's whatever you want to name. If you wanted to copy any of the sheets into the same workbook, you can right-click on it and move or copy. So let's say I wanted to copy a January worksheet into a new worksheet. I'm going to right-click on it, select Move or Copy, and I still want it in the same workbook. What we are in right now is Worksheet Practice XLSX, which is exactly what we are in right now, but I wanted to copy it at the end of that worksheet. So the new sheet will appear after the March right over here. And I make sure I'm going to click on Create a Copy because I wanted a copy. I don't want to move it. I wanted a copy of it. So I'm going to click on OK. I got myself January with the number in parentheses. It is because Excel doesn't allow two exact sheet names in a workbook. All you have to do is double-click on it and change the name. If you wanted to copy any of the sheets into a brand new workbook, all you have to do is right-click on it, move a copy. Instead of choosing the same workbook, you click this drop-down arrow, choose the new book, then you are going to create a copy and click on OK on that. You got yourself a brand new workbook. You got yourself a new book called Book 1, and the spreadsheet you just copied showed up in your new workbook. This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron-Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.